tools we're gonna use, prior type of thing. We do need like something that extends. Let's see if this works. We need a little stubby Phillip pick, 10 and a 12 millimeter, 4 millimeter hex key, 6 millimeter hex key, 17 millimeter wrench, some intake keys, some lube. Start by removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stubby. You're gonna place it on there and you're just gonna turn it around like a half turn, and then you're gonna push it out from behind. Pull it up. So actually you're gonna use that same stubby. It's gonna be this little thing. Pull this, like pop it out towards our way. There we go. 4 millimeter hex key. I'm gonna take that off. 2 Phillips screws right here. Pull that off. Go ahead and remove the O2 sensor. 12 millimeter. You're gonna remove 2 bolts over there and 2 bolts over here. We're gonna go ahead and right over here use this extension in our 12 millimeter. Push this brake down. And then that's how you're gonna get to that bolt. After removing that, we're gonna go to the other side. You see, should be right there. Same thing. Get your 12 millimeter and take that off. The exhaust is gonna drop. So if you wanna have like a cardboard or something right there holding it, that'll be good. To be honest, I'm gonna need both of my hands. Put that back in there. Next thing, remove this panel right here, the bottom panel, just like we did on the other side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the back, you're gonna use the Phillips. You're gonna turn it a bit and then just pull it right off. Now this panel should be able to come off. There we go. Now we're gonna remove this 10 millimeter and then your 4 millimeter over here. There's another screw back here. And now grab the one that says 1. I'll grab the second one. Let's slide this upward. Okay, before we install this, we're gonna go ahead and put the O2 sensor. We're gonna grab some NICs and we're gonna put some around it. Screw it on there. And now we're gonna go ahead and we could turn the whole pipe so we won't have to turn this cable. Sure, 17 millimeter inside and that up. I think we're gonna have to scoot it back a bit so we can make it fit right here. You're just gonna get it from there and there. Grab this thing on the other side of the bike where you hop in. You're gonna place it right in between. Grab the OEM bolt, put it right in there. Now we gotta scoot up the bolt forward. There we go. Now we're gonna grab this, we're gonna slide it right in. There we go. Now you're gonna grab this, take this out. We're gonna put that on the other side, not in between of this, right on that. And then we're gonna smush these two things. We're gonna grab this, we're gonna put it on in there. And now that you got it in there, we're gonna screw this screw and that's what's gonna hold it tight. This right here, we're gonna put it back here so it could grab onto there. Now that you're done, just reverse the process.